यहाँ पे ये जंगल में कौन सा जानवर रहता है? सभी रहता है मतलब? हाँ, लायन नहीं, टाइगर है। अच्छा, चीता आता है सड़क पे? अच्छा, पकड़ेगा नहीं ना खाने के लिए मुझे? अच्छा, हाँ लाइट, हाँ लाइट लगाना है, बहुत ज़रूरी है। हो गया, तो इधर लगा देंगे, ये तो आवाज़ करेगा। आप जगह थोड़ा अच्छा बनाओ, इतना मस्त लोकेशन है, थोड़ा रूम में थोड़ा करना चाहिए, मगर सस्ते में अच्छा बना सकते हैं। ये टाइल वगैरह लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं, इतना महंगा। ओके, चलो। So the people are so sweet and nice. The place can be better. I think they are making it better. Maybe they have some competition. So I had given them the tip, and not much, very small tip. It's a budget trip, so small tip. And paid for the food and everything. After that, he's like, will you have some buttermilk? I'm like, okay, sure. He made a big glass of really nice buttermilk. I think having a property like this is one thing, and getting someone like those people to look after it is probably the most difficult bit. The rooms are not great, so I won't recommend to everyone, but if you're a budget traveler, you wanna stay here for like 2,000 rupees, I think it's worth it. And each meal is like 200 rupees, so quite a good deal. I don't have the confidence to go like Adam, I think Adam Rayman something. I would love to ride like him someday. Namaste. So the plan of going to Kodachadri did not work out. It's super controlled by the jeep guys, so they will not let a bike pass. So it's crazy 4x4. Maybe you can search online and find out. Really nice views. I was really looking forward to it, but then unfortunately bike can't go, so there is no way. So I was asking the guy, what kind of animals can I expect? He said, other than elephant and lion, everything else is around. So apparently there is leopard, there is tiger, bison. Bison, he said, I might find it on the way. But other than that, no other animal would come close to the road, is what he said. And also, probably depends on the person's luck. I've seen videos. I don't know. Probably nowadays it could be AI generated. Some animals chasing. Maybe not AI generated. It was probably like 5-6 years back. Don't think AI was so popular then. Yep. So I have a knife in my pocket. That's my backup plan. As long as I'm moving north, I'm good. So nice. I also think punctures are unlikely on these roads. So usually there are these puncture shops. They'll drop these screws and nails on road, hoping they'll get some business. But these roads, there's hardly any cars. There's no puncture shop either. So it'll be a genuine puncture. When it happens, I'll be screwed. I do have a spare tube. Putting the spare tube is not enough. I don't have a pump. I bought a pump. Some stupid brand. My fault. It wasn't working. I had to return it. Slightly different landscape. Drier grass. Very red color soil. It's nice. Wow. So nice. The colors are brilliant. It's like a screensaver. The smell every time. I think this area also probably mango season, so probably it's the mango flowering smell. Very nostalgic. Where I am from, it's also known for mangoes, so we used to have hundreds of mango trees. Oh, nice. These are all like very drivable. Like if this ditch was in there, you could actually just climb up. Not with luggage, maybe. You're asking for too much trouble in case if it falls. But yeah, you could just go up. It's pretty solid, rocky terrain with grass, so it won't slip. It'll be easier than riding on a road like this. Just wanna see. Climbing up is easy. Going down is not so easy. So it's probably better to drive through the side of it. So I don't have that feel for front yet, driving on gravel and sand and snow and all. I need to learn it. But, oh no, it's gonna be dusty. So it gets more exciting when, there is a rain and then half the road is washed away. So you have these rain channels naturally formed and then you have to drive around it. It's very tricky. You could slip. I used to do it at one point of a time on a cycle. It's because then there was no road. So I think Gokarna will be another 3 hours. That's 6:30. I also need to book a place. Not ideal. Every day I'm reaching late, then I'm sleeping late, I'm waking up early, then I'm editing stuff, then I'm leaving late. മലയാളര് മലയാളിയാ ഓക്കെ അടുത്തല്ലേ ഓക്കെ എന്നാ ഇങ്ങനെ ആ കണ്ണൂർ 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 ആ എന്താ പേരെന്താ ശരത്ത് So yeah, so they also said Jog Falls is not worth it. And this temple also, apparently, it's really brilliant during monsoon because it sits in a waterfall. Really nice. That's the thing. A lot of beautiful places are beautiful during monsoon. Even originally, my plan was to do northeast, and everyone kept saying northeast to do it during monsoon. I don't sign off on the videos properly because I try till the last minute to capture something nice, and something goes wrong. Maybe I can't find my homestay or something like that, or I run out of battery.